in my face. I was gonna go eat at my parents' house because I also needed to pick up some mandu that my mom made and kimchi and eat that this week. But we decided to just meet together at Grace's, do a bibimbap night. So actually today, my dad's testing a little bit on the abnormal side, so I'm a little bit stressed about it actually right now. But just trying to make sure that he eats healthy, you know? So I'm gonna be making him my oatmeal rice for this bibimbap so that it's healthier than just pure white rice. So yeah, I'm bringing the rice. My mom's bringing the vegetables and things like that that we need for the bibimbap. And then, yeah, we're meeting at Grace's to eat. Literally, it's like, I have like no space. But my rice is in the bottom here. You guys look at this. Oh my god, I can't even pull it out. Okay, I have the quinoa too. Okay. Got some chia seed, quinoa, and some oats in there as well. You guys should follow along. This is the rice that I usually eat at home. But we'll add 2 cups of rolled oats. And then we'll add a half cup of quinoa and a half cup of chia seeds. In the meantime, I want to show you guys what my friend sent me for my birthday. It's a mortar and pestle. We'll be making guac all freaking day this year. But just wanted to show you guys my new gadget. And I need to read this to understand how to use it. But yeah, isn't it so beautiful? Rice is complete.
Do we pee first? Let's pee first, come on. Pee pee. Pee to mama. Pee too. Let's go pee pee to mama. Pee pee.
Mama's kimchi. How do you training them? Such a lazy day! Been editing all day and I think it's gonna rain. It was so sunny and all of a sudden it's like thunderstorming, so I'm gonna make some panchan. This is jinmiche, which is like dried onion or not onion, octopus or squid. What it is. So good though. I submerged this in water for like 5 minutes and I drained the water out. It's sitting in this bowl. This is a lot actually, but I want to make extra for Ella. When we went to Chodankor in New York, that Korean restaurant, which was like my favorite restaurant in New York, they had this panchan, and normally this is in a red sauce, like a gochujang based sauce, but they had a soy sauce based sauce, and I thought it'd be perfect because I can give it to Ella for some panchan, but I don't know if she's allowed to eat this. Tablespoons, maybe 3. I don't know why people use mayo in jinmiche. I think it's to make it soft and a little creamy. Now for the sauce, we will add some soy sauce. 3 tablespoons. Sesame oil. And garlic. Okay. And oligosaccharide. This is going to be instead of oligosaccharide, but it has 0 calories. This is supposed to be a little sweet, so I'll let it go. Turn the fire on medium. We're going to let this simmer. And now we're going to turn this off. Add our jinmiche in and give it a mix. This is a really easy panchan. You guys can make it at home. Honestly, it's so easy. Some kid that my sesame seeds that my grandma had roasted for me. She's not gonna answer. Darn it. Whatevs. Oh, do you hear the thunder? Ella, is it good? Yay! It's really, really raining. Okay, so I'm done with the banchan. My mom gave us dumplings and kimchi last night. I thought I had duck because I was gonna make 떡만둣국 until I realized what we had was tteokbokki duck. So now I'm kind of like, what should I do about dinner? Because that was the plan. So I think I'm gonna improvise. Huh? I'm gonna add white glass noodles in a broth. Let's try it out. I think it's gonna work. My aunts brought me from Korea, so they come in these tablet forms and it's awesome. Let me show you guys. It's like this tablet. It's like this. And I think this is awesome because they come in individual handy packets, you know? So if you wanna go take it camping or you're cooking for someone at their house or you wanna bring ingredients over, it's like so perfect to bring this. Oh. Kimchi that my mom made. Wow. Mmm. Add some soy sauce. Black pepper. And now we add the mandu. Shino, how much mandu do you want? Let's add some pap. Lovely runner!
This is huge.
Weird. I'm eating some strawberries for breakfast right now, but I'm going to be making some food. I'll be making some 두부조림, which is like a braised tofu. Some sausage 볶음. I have the dried squid from yesterday. I want to make a little Korean kale salad. It rained so much last night that I have a little pond in the back. Organic sprouted tofu. It's the best and I love the packaging. Thought I had onions for and other vegetables for the sausage, but I didn't, so it's gonna be just a sausage 볶음. But what I do have is jalapeno. I'm gonna add this to the sausage 볶음. 두부, sausage. In the time being, I'm gonna make some sauce for the tofu. Soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, my allulose, and a pepper. Oh my. One left. I'm gonna add this into. Secret to this is gonna be Trader Joe's organic sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. Now for the kale, I think Shino's gonna eat later, so I'm just gonna make enough for me and make his later. Sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, allulose, and there we have kale muchim.
have my frozen chia bap. So I'm gonna microwave this.
사랑해도 못할걸. 너 이런 거 관심도 없으면서 왜? 소다야, 내가 돌이키는 게 가능하잖아. 돌아가서 되돌리면 되잖아. 힌트. 왜 아빠한테 말을 안 해? 왜?